Lucky round, Gaby round.
What are you guys doing?
We're doing some make slime.
You gonna make a slime?
Yeah. And these are the food coloring inside here.
What are the ingredients?
So we need some water and some. That water, yeah.
All right, so we need water, and then what else do we need, McKayle? We need
That.
Elmer's glue. Look at all that glue.
And that.
And we need borax. We need to be very careful with that.
Yeah. It's very strong.
It's very strong, right? You need your parents' permission to use it, right?
And you need a spoon.
And you need a spoon. And then what else? Oh, what's this?
That.
Oh, I like that.
And we use
That's glitter.
That's for the slime.
That's for the slime. And then what else do we need? We need a spoon, and we need some bowls.
Yeah.
All right, so in order to make slime, what is the first thing we need to do, McKayle? Pour glue in the bowls, okay? How many bowls are we gonna use? 2?
Okay.
All right, let's see what's gonna happen.
Is it milk?
It does look like milk, but it's sticky.
Yeah, sticky milk.
Let's see. Oh, look at that.
Okay.
Wow, oh, and there's the second bowl. You wanna do 3 bowls? Okay, McKayle, can you add another bowl? Cyrus would like to join us.
I just stole this one now. I just stole this one.
I want to eat glue.
No, we don't eat glue. Glue is not for eating. It's not very healthy for us.
Are you going to edit it out?
No.
No.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you going to edit out this part?
Nope.
Nope. I'm gonna make this one out. Okay, make more blue. Okay, I can mix mine, okay?
All right, so now what do we do? Now that we have the glue in the bowls, what do we do? So we add the food coloring now. So what color are you going to choose, McKayle? Pink?
No, green. I
And
can do
you're
mine.
going to do green. How many drops?
I can do mine 4.
I think that's enough.
I can do
Turn it
5.
upside down. Okay. All right, so now you're going to have to mix it. So start mixing.
Show me the green.
No.
Why?
Look, McKayle is mixing already. Come on, start mixing.
Can you give me one?
That's green, turning green.
That's right.
How do you...
It's a caps.
Oh.
Silly Cyrus.
I'm making green.
Okay, now you mix it. Take a spoon and mix it. You have enough. And if you mix too many colors, you're going to get brown. But that's okay. That's
I
what
just
you
want
want.
red and green. There's nothing bad about 2 colors. What do red and green make?
Brown. You might want to rethink your color choices.
Where look I put this?
Uh-oh, don't get it all over the counter. Keep it in there. I don't know. McKaylee's going to tell us next
What is
step.
pink mixing with?
Red, it's a lighter pink. You can do that. That would be pretty. One color is nice, Cyrus.
Yeah, one color is nice.
What do red and purple make?
I'm gonna take
Like a
this.
magenta, maybe? Don't eat it. Don't eat it. We don't eat it. It's not food. It's glue.
Can you take this, Mom? Towel.
Okay, right here.
How do you like mine, Mom?
Oh, I love it. You've made it like a dark purple. That's really pretty. It's really pretty. I'm like, let's see McKaylee's color. Let's move your water so we can see. Oh, that's a beautiful pink. I love it.
Give my green.
Might need more red, though.
Okay, so now what's the next step after we've mixed our colors and our
Sure, I
glue?
put food dye in my mouth.
Yeah, we don't do that.
Will you eat food dye?
Yes, but you don't eat glue.
No, I put the food dye in my mouth.
Okay, that's okay. So now, McKaylee, what's our next step?
I need more red.
So do we need another bowl for this? Okay, so you add borax.
Do mine.
I want to put more red in it so it has like a little pattern.
So let's watch McKaylee. Let's see what she's doing. She's adding a little water. So This is called the activator.
Yeah, so it makes slime. Yeah, so it
And
makes
the,
slime.
and the activator is 1 tablespoon of borax mixed with water. Look at how McKaylee's doing it.
Can you do mine?
See how it's activating? It's becoming
Give
slimy.
me. Can you do mine?
Okay, so just add a little water,
Add a little at a time.
a little bit at a time. That's enough. That's
Dude,
enough.
you're gonna overactivate it.
Yeah, then it's gonna explode in your face. No, only kidding.
Can I have a borax?
No, it's not a Lorax, it's a borax. Put it together. She already put it in there. Yeah, so don't drink that water.
It's like,
Mine is very sticky.
wait, is this how easy it is to make slime?
Yeah.
Yes, but you overactivated all.
It's sticking.
Sometimes.
I think
That's
I made it
the
too
slime.
slimy, but I like it.
That's the slime.
You have to mix it.
That's the slime.
You gotta mix it. You got slime. Oh, that looks slimy to me, but you have a lot of water in there.
I know.
I don't think I overactivated it.
Let's see yours, Cyrus. Oh.
Is it done?
So now what do we do with it? Is that it? Is that all you do?
Or you just make it stick.
Get it off.
I think you can make I think you can make shapes out of this.
I'm sure. Now,
And, like-
now we pour it into a container, and then what do we do with it? We play with it? Does it have to like wait and rest?
No.
You can use it right away?
Yeah.
Wine doesn't do that. Wait and rest.
Okay.
Oh, now it's done?
Well, no, yours doesn't look very slimy yet. Well,
Mine is slimy.
Look at this. This looks slimy.
so pour out the water.
Well, it can't be sticky.
Can't be sticky.
I won't.
Then you need to add more what?
Activate.
More activator if it's sticky?
Can I have more water and can I pour it on my hands? And it'll like stick right off. It's like it does that. It's sticking right up. Like it's coming.
Oh yeah. Mine is not very good.
Look, it's like coming off in
It's
pieces.
like sticking. Mine is like sticking.
Can I make as many of these as I want?
Yeah, different colors, yeah.
Mine is way too.
McKaylee's got it. She knows what she's doing. I did.
I
thought
want
it
to
was
wash
mine.
my hands right now.
I thought it was mine.
Mine is very sticky.
Look at the precision. Just a little
Mine.
drop.
Take it out.
No! It's stuck to the thing. How long can it stretch? Look how far it can stretch.
It's dripping down your arm.
I know.
I'm dripping down. I'm not very done mixing.
Why?
Cause it's not. I didn't bake the bell.
You have to knead it with your hand.
You gotta knead it like bread. Watch McKaylee. See how she kneads?
Can I have more
It
water?
doesn't stick to my hand anymore. Look, it's like sticks.
Can I have more?
Mom, it's so slippery now. Is that how I'm supposed to do it?
You just have to knead it like
Look at, see how she's kneading it?
Yeah, it's like not sticky anymore.
Yeah, that's the idea. Once it's not sticky, then it's good.
unless you want it sticky.
Maybe a little bit of
Keep
it.
kneading it, Gaby. Knead it.
Look at this.
It's nice.
Make it into a baseball.
Like doing the baseball. Doing what Kelly's doing.
That's good. Yeah, knead it. Now you know how to make it.
I'll make it. I'll make it.
Yeah.
This is probably how they make silly putty too.
No, this is fine.
Yeah.
Mom, this is probably how they make silly putty
It could
too.
be. I don't know how to make silly putty, but it's probably similar.
It's like rubbery.
How to take this off?
Let's see what McKaylee.
Sandy, don't eat that!
What do you want to do with it?
Take this off.
Take it off where?
This.
You can't.
Oh, sticking. Mine sticks on the bowl.
Yeah, that's why it's slime.
But it's dry. You're gonna need to use
Add the glitter.
Oh, we gotta add the glitter.
Oh, mine under
You want to make sparkly slime?
Yeah.
You have to put it in an airtight container so it doesn't dry out.
It dries out?
Yeah, if you don't put it in a container.
Well, you can make hundreds of these. This is my number one.
Yeah, that's your number one. Mine is. I'm making it together. I can make
You're
it.
gonna have to go a lot and change them as fast as
Alright, so what are we doing, McKayla? We're doing the glitter now?
I'll do mine.
Yeah, we're doing glitter. Alright, so mix in the glitter, Gaby.
Roll it up.
Yeah, roll it up. Knead it.
I'm putting in the sparkles
I
before.
think you need more sparkles.
Mom, I'm putting in the sparkles before. Wait, Mom, what if you can make it transparent?
You need clear glue.
Yeah. Need clear glue.
Alright, I need
Where's some sticks?
Transparent, that would be so cool.
Yeah, mine.
It's so warm, I like it.
You mean overactivated?
Yeah.
It's not scratchy though.
If I only knew what to do.
So that's our green goo. Thank you for watching Gaby Monster. Please subscribe to our channel. Cyrus!
Stop recording.